In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Datasite to ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find your account and workspace options, including the settings area we need for this setup. After that, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel where you can manage different parts of your ChatGPT experience. From here, look for the Apps section and select it. The Apps area is where you can browse, manage and connect supported tools and services that work alongside ChatGPT. Once you're inside Apps, click on Explore Apps, or if your version shows a different label, click Add More. Both options are meant to take you to the App Marketplace or App Discovery page. This is where you can search for available integrations that can be linked to your ChatGPT workspace. When the app page opens, you should see a search field. Click into that search bar and type Datasite. Take a moment to make sure you select the correct result from the list, since app names can sometimes look similar. When you find Datasite, click on it to open its connection page. Next, click Connect. At this point, ChatGPT may guide you through a few prompts to complete the connection. If any instructions appear on screen, simply follow them carefully. Depending on how the integration works, you may be asked to confirm permissions or sign in through the app's secure connection flow. Just proceed through those steps until the setup is completed, and that's it. Once the process finishes, Datasite should be connected to ChatGPT. As a quick tip, if you don't see the app right away, try refreshing the app directory or checking whether your account has access to app integrations. Features can sometimes vary depending on your plan, workspace settings, or rollout status. Also, if the connection doesn't go through on the first try, closing the settings panel and reopening it can sometimes help. The main thing is to follow the path step by step. Profile, Settings, Apps, Explore Apps, search for Datasite, and connect it. If prompts appear, just complete them as instructed. That's the full setup process, and once it's done, you'll be ready to use Datasite with ChatGPT.